I have one powerful question for you. Are you using WhatsApp for just vibes, or are you using it as a powerful business tool? When I started off in business, my first 10 million I made exclusively from WhatsApp marketing. And I've seen a lot of people underutilize their WhatsApp and not make as much money as they're supposed to. Even till today, if I tell you how much I make from my WhatsApp, you probably won't believe it. I probably make hundreds of millions a month just from sales I drive from my WhatsApp. So today I'm going to be covering how you can use WhatsApp as a business tool to maximize how much you're making and to make millions and millions of naira from it. So the first thing you need to do before you even start working on this is you need to change how you think about the app. So WhatsApp is not just where you chat with friends, hang out, DM your friends, toast babe and stuff. WhatsApp is a place where you actually make a lot of money. You can handle your CRM on your WhatsApp, which is customer relations. So your communication with customers, how you get referrals, how you keep them updated on your product. You can also use it as your online store. So WhatsApp business has a lot of functions where you can actually put your product and list it, where customers can actually select which of the product they want to do. I remember when we started the first business, Ghetto Step Services, real estate, we launched the website. And we're very big on the website. It was like, oh my God, we even launched that. We're launching in the next 7 days. And we started counting down to the day the website will launch. Spent a lot of money on that website. And we count down, and the day finally came. And guess what we found out? Nobody cares. Nobody cares about your website. As at that period, nobody cared. We kept begging them. So what happened? Someone will make an inquiry on WhatsApp. I'll now send them the link. They'll be like, hey, can you send me the property picture here? And after a while, I realized something. Go where the customer is, not where you want them to be. So if the customers are already spending time on WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp. If they're already spending time on Instagram, go to Instagram. Don't try to take them to where you want them to. So a lot of people they build their websites and they want everybody to go to their website. How many of you see those kind of businesses? Except maybe your business has grown to that point where you can't just handle business on WhatsApp anymore. But you see businesses that, small business, you are making an inquiry, they're like, check our website. So me, I text your WhatsApp now, I don't know what I'm doing. And what happens most times is not everybody actually checks your website. Most people prefer one-on-one interaction. So you can use your WhatsApp to get that one-on-one interaction. You can also use WhatsApp as a good place to create content and build customer relationship. So when you have your WhatsApp, it should be a place where if someone gets your number and they don't know what you do, they don't know who you are, within the next 30 days, the person should know what you do and who you are based off your WhatsApp. So it's not just for memes. Every day, not only they post memes. All the memes they did this life, you sabi am, they post now. Use it to promote your business. So your WhatsApp can also act as a place where you can share content to build trust with your customers. So if you want to actually start using WhatsApp to make money, it's best to use WhatsApp business. So you have to register WhatsApp business. And when you register, you set up your bio. Now it depends on what you are selling. So if you are selling commodity products, which is items that are like less than $1 million, 200K, 50K, so you sell shoes, do your catalog, do your bio very well to explain the product and all those things. But if you are selling high ticket item, people who want to spend 50 million, 70 million would rather talk to another person than an official page. So you can set up the profile to fit you and show your face, what you sell and everything to build trust faster. So you set up all those things so that you can be able to do your WhatsApp business. But there's something you should not set up. This one, I hate it personally, and I think a lot of people share this sentiment. Do not set up quick replies. See that thing where someone will message you and you will now send automatic message. Please, we are not available. Maybe we'll get back to you. I hate that thing. I hate it. It drives me crazy. And most people do, because if you are not available, don't respond. When you are available, respond. So generally, rule of thumb, do not, except you have like a commodity product that you sell a lot of and people can just order on your website, right? If that's the case, then thumbs up. When they message you on WhatsApp, they can actually interact with your website and they can get what they want. But if not, sign up for WhatsApp business, set it up properly, and you are good to go on your first step to start making a lot of money from WhatsApp. Next thing is the content you post on WhatsApp. So if you are starting out newly, you have to post every day. Now, you're not just going to be posting every day. You have to post about yourself. So you're not just going to be posting products. So there's this stupid thing people do where let's say I sell shoes. Then I'll post shoe from morning to evening. Then you will now have ring, and it's all different kinds of shoes. Even shoes, that's not how they sell shoes. It's better you post videos of someone wearing a shoe and doing a content around shoe. You post videos of you sourcing out the shoe, getting them, gathering them, show behind the scene, show customer testimonial, and then when they DM you, you can now send them your catalog. Because me and you know that we avoid the status of those people that just post ring about their product. Because if I'm going to check your WhatsApp and every time it's going to be a ring, I will not check it. I'm not saying don't post your product. I'm saying make your status interesting. People want to know you. People will buy from who they know and like than from any kind of product. It's you they buy first before they buy your product. So post about you, post about your company, post about your behind the scene, post about your customer testimonial, but consistently post so that within 30 days, somebody who does not know you and gets involved with your WhatsApp will not only know you within 30 days, but will know and trust you very, very well to the point where they are willing to give you money. So if you are not willing to be a content creator, please avoid this. I'm not being content creator like that, child. It's just one or two posts, not really reach content creator level. Just post. If you are going to work, post. You want to go and buy the shoe in the market, post. You want to go and buy the bag, post. Show them that you're a real business, you're a real person, and they can trust you. So that way you will get a lot more people buying through you on WhatsApp than any other platform. An additional note: do not do what some people do where they use clickbait to get people to go through the ring. So you know you are going to post shoe, 30 shoe. You will post 30 shoe for you, now post bomb at the end. That is rubbish. You should not be associated with such nonsense. Because who are you deceiving? Do you know what people will do? They will scroll through your shoes very fast so that they can see. The people you are looking for, they are not going to stop to do. Imagine somebody has seen that there's bomb at the end. You think they are not going to stop to look at your stupid ass bag or shoe or dress so that they will miss the bomb you put there. No, they will scroll through all your products very fast so they can get to the reward at the end, which is what you intend. So it does not convert. Instead, make your content engaging. So post things that you actually like and you're interested in, and your customers might be interested. And post about your lifestyle, right? If you're a Man U fan, post about Man U. And what I like about things like that is you will think, oh, if I post about being a Man U fan, Chelsea fans will not buy from you. Funny enough, they actually would, because you guys will banter, laugh, and then you form a better connection. Because almost all my friends are Man U fans, and I'm a Chelsea fan, and I hate Man United. But nothing gives me joy. Nothing makes our friendship worth it than when Man U lose. It makes the friendship so sweet. Because when Man U lose, I don't have to just be happy they lost. I have people I can actually call and say, how far? I just even I greet you. Nothing happened. I just say I should greet you. How you doing? How's your health? You know, that kind of thing. And then whenever Chelsea lose or they win, they also have people to reach out to. So it actually makes you closer to people. So post about your views, post about who you are. Nothing too controversial, but post your interest. It will make people bond with you better and trust you enough to buy products from you through WhatsApp. So the next thing you need to do is you also need to run WhatsApp ads. This is kind of new, but oh my god, it's amazing. You can actually post product on WhatsApp and get a lot of people to DM you. And right now it is really, really cheap. As of today, when I made this video, WhatsApp ad is it's very, very low cost. So you need to take advantage of it, and you can sell so much money. I do sell high ticket items of 100 million, 300 million, and yet people buy that off WhatsApp. So imagine the product you're selling probably might not be as high as that, and you will see customers. People will actually rush you, and that way you can start building your list. Very important thing you should do. So when you run WhatsApp ad, it's not that, let's say you run an ad, so 300 people make inquiry. What people do is, because 300 people make inquiry and only to buy, they feel like, this WhatsApp is not working. My dear, it is working, because guess what? 300 people now have your contact. So if you message them and say, save my contacts, I constantly post about bags, or I constantly post about hair, or I constantly post about, so in case later you want to buy, many people will actually save your number. You tell them, save me as James Hair, or Bright Hair Enterprise, or save me as Bright Hair Guy. See, I don't mind how people say my number. I'm a business guy. Till today, there are people that still say my number as Bright Agent. Please don't change it. I'm an agent in the core of my body. I'm an agent, I'm a developer. Anything you want to call me. Shall give me money. As long as you are doing transfer, you can call me anything you want to call me. You don't call me agent, broker, realtor, salesperson, developer, business owner, anything you want to call me. Now me know what I say. I'm not saying do everything, no. If you notice, everything I say is around real estate. I'm not saying do anything, but my own, whatever you want to call me. Now you be my oga. As long as you do transfer, you my oga, no problem. So let them save your number. Make it easy for them to do it. Let them save your number so that what happens now? Still people make an inquiry, maybe 5 buys. You still have 295 people that have not yet bought. This is where relationship building comes in. This is where all those you're posting on your status comes in, because now those 295 people that did not buy, you start building relationship with them on WhatsApp so that in the nearest future they will now buy from you. And you don't need new people coming every 2 market day. With old people, you can keep the relationship going. That over years, you will just have consistent income coming in over and over, because why? You built relationship with the people you have. So every time you have to look for new customers. So when you run ads, you are just going to get a lot of people to have your number and know what you do, and then now you build relationship with them. So the ones that did not buy this month will buy next month. The ones that did not buy next month will buy next 3 months. Before you know, 2 years, you are still selling from people that you met 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And that is really the hack when it comes to building sustainable business. It's really about building relationship. And one of the tools that really help with that is WhatsApp. You can build the best relationship on WhatsApp, and people will not even ever meet you and they feel like they know you if you post. So if you keep posting about yourself, I've had this happen to me a lot of times where I'm walking on the road and someone come and, oh my god, I know it. That was when I was doing hostel business in Unilag, where I was in at least 80 Unilag group chats. Once I joined the group, this was when spamming was still has not casted on WhatsApp like now. Now spamming has casted. That time, I will save everybody's number and message them. Hello, my name is Bright. I help students get hostel around school. If you need hostel, just let me know. If I message, so every night I try to message between 100 to 200 people. So if I message 100 people in one night, maybe like 20 will reply back. I might book 2, 3, 4 inspections, right? But tomorrow, some of the people from yesterday would have responded. And some might not even respond. They might send my number to somebody. So I kept getting people just reaching out to me. Hey, Alpha, I heard you are helping students get hostel. In fact, that's why I like that hostel business that year, because it was so easy to find my customers. They are already in group chats. So let me give you the scope I was using then. You require a small line. So I'll go to students and I'll be like, hello, good afternoon, my name is Bright. I'll enter a class and I'll be like, my name is Bright. What year is this? So I'll find out, let's say it's Bizarre year 2. I'll be like, oh, who is the class rep? They'll point me to the class rep. I'll go in class and I'll be like, good afternoon. I'm from Bizarre year 4. I have this course I'm carrying over from 200 level that I want to write. Please, can you add me to your group so that whenever they are doing the course, I will know when they are doing it, and then I'll be able to attend class and then also get updates on that course. You know, I like that story. Nobody asks you more questions once you say you're a carryover student, because they don't also want to embarrass you. Nobody will be like, what course did you fail? Can you imagine how embarrassing that would be, asking someone that failed the course, what course did you fail? Or why did you even fail? I don't know what else, or you don't look like, I've never seen you before. Bro, that's why I failed the course. If I was coming to class all the time, I probably would not fail. So it was just the perfect story. And guess what? I entered more than 50 group chats using that. And what did I do? When I entered the group chat, I don't send anything to the group because they'll remove you. You know? I just save their numbers and then message them one-on-one and say, hey, what's up? I help students get hostel. Hey, what's up? So every night when I come back, I do more than 100 of those. At least 100 every night. At least 100, I'm sending messages. And over time, what happened? More business went through the roof. So you need to know how to hustle your way on WhatsApp. You might not necessarily spam people on groups. I wouldn't recommend that now, because now that there's ads, just run ads. It's a lot more demure. A lot more, very demure. But if I hustle, I don't even have money, my dear, run out. Run out. It doesn't necessarily mean, so one of the hack with that is, let it be people you have some common interest with. Like for instance, when I started selling real estate, I did the same thing. I went to every group, like my class group chat. I messaged all of them and I called all of them. Hey, what's up? I'm doing real estate now. Remember Bright now from school? Yes, I even told them my nickname. I will not tell you people. Very funny nickname. It's what most people in my school know me. If you are watching this video, it's a born you were. Say something. So yes, I tell them my nickname. They remember, you this guy. And then, hey, I'm doing real estate now, and with that I'm able to reach out to as many people as possible. So WhatsApp is for hustlers, right? You can hustle your way. You can also run ads to just get people. Which brings me to the next thing you need to do. You need to manage broadcast lists very carefully. So what people mostly do is they form broadcast lists senselessly, right? How many of you, there are some people that just send you broadcasts every time. So now, this is how broadcast is supposed to work. You're supposed to categorize your customers. So you have a broadcast list for paid customers. So paid customers, you don't message them like mad person. Depending on your product, you might say, okay, I message them once every 2 weeks, or I message them once every month, or once every week, depending. And you have to message them something of value or that makes sense to them. Maybe you have a discount running, you send it to them. Or you have one thing or the other going on, you send it to them. So that's paid customers. You now have people that are almost paid. You can have their own group chats. People that are almost paid broadcast lists. Those ones you message them maybe once a month. You send them new products, or you send them one information that might be needed to them. Then you have people that might be interested, people that you're not really sure, they're just there, they're neither here or there. Then you have a separate broadcast for them. So once you categorize your broadcast list like this, it helps you convert way better than sending same thing to everybody. Because what somebody who has paid wants is different from what somebody who has not yet paid, and it's different from what somebody who might not even have interest wants. So you will know how to categorize them and send them at the right time. Now the next one you need to also utilize very well is groups. WhatsApp group work very well, especially for us now when we have realtors. We put them on our WhatsApp group, we send them regular updates, they can communicate, ask questions. We're able to build partnership with them a lot faster. So you can have variation of that. I remember one time I used to do classes for investors. So I do ads, invite investors to a group chat, and I give them tips on that group chat. And when they have questions around investing, I answer those questions. So you can create community for your product on WhatsApp. And this is so important because once you have a community and you are able to build trust, your products will sell very fast. And one thing with WhatsApp is this does not require a lot of money, or in most cases zero money. You don't need money to send BC. You don't need money to create group. The only thing you need money is if you are running ads. You don't need money to join group. Except maybe you have some group you want to join that, they will ask you for money. But usually you don't need money. You just need a good story, they will add you to those groups, and you'll be able to get access to thousands, if not millions of customers on WhatsApp and make good money for yourself. Another tip you really need to know with WhatsApp is you need to know how to answer people on WhatsApp, right? You have to be respectful, direct. Do not send BC. Some of you need to take courses on sales, and we have some videos on sales. You can go down. I think we can book some ways you can check some of our sales videos. You need to learn sales because a lot of times you don't have to wait for the customer to tell you what's the next step. Many times I see people are making an inquiry and I've made the inquiry finish. They will never ask me, oh, when would you want it delivered? All those questions, closing questions. So you need to know how to interact with customers so that you'll be able to close them. So don't be the kind of person that once they make an inquiry, you just send them all your product. You don't even ask any question. You just overwhelm the client with broadcast message. Ask good question, ask the right question so you can close more. So if you watch this video and really enjoy it and you implement the things said and change your business, you can comment below. Also comment what you're currently struggling with. Maybe we can make a video about it and help you grow. Until the next time, I'm Bright KK. I'll see you again next episode. Thank you.